Every morning feels like a fresh chance to improve something, or at least to try something new.
You always begin the day with big ideas. Still, mornings do feel full of promise.
Good morning, my thinkers. Breakfast is ready.
I had a strange dream last night. I was climbing stairs made of books, and each step tested my patience. That sounds stressful, but also useful. Learning is often slow, but it always pays off.
Exactly. Growth doesn't rush. It rewards consistency.
Do you ever wonder how many stories walk past us every day without being heard?
Often. That's why I like listening carefully. Listening is the beginning of understanding, and understanding leads to kindness.
Today, I want to ask at least 5 good questions.
That's the spirit. Let's get inside.
And I want to answer at least 2.
Be curious, be respectful, and support each other.
Who can explain what ambition means?
Ambition is the strong desire to improve your life and make a positive difference.
Clear and thoughtful. But ambition works best when it's guided by values.
Sometimes I feel like people talk endlessly but say very little. That's because real communication requires attention. Exactly. I want conversations that actually change how I think.
Okay, I took the wrong turn. Stay calm. Panic never improves direction. I should ask someone for help.
He's never late. Something must be wrong. Excuse me, my brother hasn't arrived yet.
Stay calm. Think clearly. I will find him. Yes, my son is missing near Elm Street.
Excuse me, ma'am. I believe I've lost my way. Could you help me find Elm Street School?
Of course, it's just down this street. Of course, you're very close.
Of course, you're very close.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. I was terrified something had happened.
I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
But you stayed calm and asked for help.
That's what matters.
Today taught me something important. Independence doesn't mean doing everything alone.
It means knowing when to ask for help.
And trusting people who care about you.
The future isn't something we wait for. It's something we build, decision by decision.
You seem calmer today.
I think yesterday changed how I think.
Good lessons often arrive quietly. No matter how advanced the world becomes, kindness must always lead.
And curiosity.
And honesty.
I've realized something recently. Listening carefully can save more time than speaking quickly.
That's true. Most misunderstandings begin when people hear words but miss meaning.
Excellent insight. Real communication starts with attention, not interruption.
Sometimes I speak before fully understanding the problem.
I think first, but sometimes I wait too long.
Balance is key. Thoughtful listening followed by clear action.
I've noticed that people feel calmer when someone listens without judging.
That's probably because they finally feel understood.
Understanding builds trust, and trust changes behavior. Your next task is to solve a real-world problem using teamwork.
I already have several ideas.
Maybe we should hear everyone's ideas first.
You're right. Let's listen before deciding.
Our school wastes a lot of electricity after hours.
That's interesting. Can you explain more?
Maybe we could design an automatic shutdown system.
Good idea. I wouldn't have thought of that alone. Listening actually improved the project more than my original plan.
Collaboration multiplies intelligence.
I like how that sounds.
Because it's true.
Today felt different. I didn't feel rushed.
Because you didn't rush others.
Listening slows the world just enough to make better decisions.
I used to think confidence meant speaking loudly.
Now you know it can also mean staying quiet. Confidence is trusting yourself enough to listen.
Do you feel more confident now or less?
Strangely more. Because I don't feel like I have to prove everything.
That's maturity.
When you listen deeply, the world speaks clearly. Good morning. How was your weekend?
Better now that someone asked.
Listening already works. I heard wonderful things about your presentation.
We learned that listening is actually a superpower, and it's free. I used to think being smart meant talking fast.
Now you know it also means listening slowly.
Wisdom begins where ego ends.
Tomorrow, I want to listen even better.
Me too!
I love that.
I want to help others feel heard.
That's how leaders grow.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Leave a comment.
Thank you for watching. This is the end of first episode. The second episode is coming soon.
Bye-bye.